Welcome to 14er Finisher YouTube channel, where Steve and his wife Laura have an insatiable appetite for adventure and visit exotic locations in the Sonoran and Mojave deserts. The Little Dumont Dunes are located seemingly in the middle of nowhere off of the Death Valley Road, aka California Highway 127. These dunes don't present a serious hiking challenge. This hike can be completed by almost everyone, and this is just a great little adventure right off the highway. Get out, stretch your legs, take a little hike. So without further ado, we're going to do just that. If there's one thing we'd like our viewers to get from watching this video, it's a friendly reminder that life is better when your feet are in the sand. Happy trails. Please subscribe to follow more adventures. Be safe out there, and we'll see you in the mountains.